I've been using Philips Pure Air Purifier last 4 months in the boat, and very happy with the outcome. Philips Pure actually made for the cars, and the idea behind that is that clean the air and gives the fresh air from both sides. The reason I bought this item for the boat, because inside of the purifier there is a filter, and this filter has got 2 layers, one HEPA and one HESA. I believe that HEPA filter eliminates the mold on the air, so that's the reason I bought, and I thought that it might be idea to support other dehumidifiers. For example, I've got over there non-electrical dehumidifier, just a basic, but work very well and smell nice just over there. So this air purifier is quite light, compact, but very efficient. It comes with a long cable, and there is a cigarette light plug, and also once it's plugged, there is a light is coming out from here, and the system starts to work automatically, which is great. The lid comes out, and at the back of the lid it explains how to replace the filter. So this is the filter, very simple, however I believe that it can be very efficient. So take the filter out from the box. You just need to take it out, and this is the filter. This is the front end, and this is the back. So according to the Philips website, it says that there's 2 layers, one layer for HEPA and one layer for HESA, and that comes together. The GoPure or Philips Air Purifier gives indication when this filter needs to be replaced. So this is the main body, and there is a motor in here, so it works very well. Basically what happens, it sucks when it runs. It sucks from the air from these sides, and then the fresh air comes from this end and this end. So to put the filter back, we just need to put back in here. Hopefully it will, and then to able to put the lid back, we just need to put the things in here, and then at present the purifier plug-in is plugged in to the cigarette light, and I'm just going to turn on the machine. To turn on the machine, you just need to press this start button, and then it automatically starts from the level 1. Now level 1 is just the lowest level. The engine inside of the air purifier is works in a low level, so you can see that there is a noises coming. From here I can feel the fresh air is coming here. I can still up to here I can still feel the fresh is coming here. To able to go to level 2, which is a bit more stronger, I just need to press this start button again. Now it's become stronger as the motor increase speed. Let's have a look. So, and to turn off the motor, I just need to press the start button for 3-4 seconds. So I'm just going to press now.